Guys, we're gonna get our sizzle on today. That's right, our Ninja Sizzle. We're gonna do a bunch of filet mignons. We're gonna grill them and we're gonna use that griddle plate. I'm gonna do like I did with the Ninja Sizzle burger video where we did a smash burger and then like a regular pub burger. And I'll put the link for that video up there, okay? I figure for the most part when I do videos on this Ninja Sizzle, I'm going to go ahead and use both plates, the grill plate and the griddle plate. As long as I'm doing some kind of like protein or whatever, that way you can kind of see what you're getting doing it both ways. Right? Cool. Glad you agree with me. That's a great idea. All right, guys, so we're gonna season up our fillets. I have 2 for each griddle plate. Yes, we got a total of 4 fillets. I'm gonna season them up with a little heifer dust for beef. My buddy Matt Hussey from the Hungry Hussey on YouTube, and I'll put a link for it up there too. We got some steaks. Why not, right? If you guys go over to the Hungry Hussey, tell him CJ sent you. All right, Matt's a great dude. Gets down on the griddle, gets down on the smokers. Yeah, check him out. Nothing left to do but get started. Got our steak seasoned up. We're gonna throw our temp spike thermometer in one of the steaks each time we cook it on the grill plate or the griddle plate. That way we can keep a track of the temperatures. 375 for both the grill and the griddle. I think that's it. We're gonna keep it pretty simple. Just gonna be able to see how it works on both of them. We are gonna shut that lid when we start doing the cooking. I don't know that it's really gonna help so much the convection, but it'll kind of keep it clean around here, keep the splatter to a minimum. Which on that burger video, there was burger grease everywhere. Let's go ahead and get started. I hope you're sticking with me so far. Hit that thumbs up, YouTube, comment, all that, share, you know, all that good stuff. Go. All right, let's get started. All right, y'all, time to get the steaks on. Get ready to hear that sizzle, sizzle. All right, let's get our first steak on. Make sure you get plenty of contact. I'm loving the sizzle. The sizzle, baby. No, it's just never gonna get old. All right. We are gonna go ahead and cook these for about a minute. Give them a flip. Minute, flip, minute, flip. We're gonna do the flip-flop method on this until we get to about 125, 130 internal. We got the temp spike in there to monitor those temperatures. I like a pretty medium rare to rare filet, okay? If you want a more well-done steak, a medium to medium well done, whatever, then take your internal temperatures to, I don't know, 150, 160, and you know, enjoy your shoe leather. It's up to you. Not hating on anybody, I'm just saying, medium rare to rare is where you want to be, I think. We'll give these a flip in a sec. Stick with me. Let's go ahead and give them a flip. It's been about a minute. Get those beautiful char marks on there. Those nice char marks. Gorgeous. All right, y'all, let's shut the lid. Like I said, we're gonna keep flipping every minute or so. And we'll just, yeah, keep going. All right, looking good. Okay, one more flip. Again, you want to go against the grain of the thing. There you go, some nice crosshatch marks, we're good. Okay, as you can see, we're getting there on the temperature, 108. This should be the last time we need to flip it, okay? Guys, we're up to temperature on there. You see the alert, I'll pose it right here. You can see the alert that comes up. I'm gonna check the temperatures on the other steak using my lightning instant read, okay? Y'all can get one of these below too. All right, 130 is not bad. Let's get in this one right here. 126, this one was a little thicker, not a big deal. We're gonna go ahead and pull these off and let them rest on the cutting board. Yeah, I went ahead and pulled off the grilled steaks. They're sitting on the cutting board here. They're gonna rest while we make the other steaks on the griddle. I switched out the grill plate carefully. Use some heat-proof gloves, all right? I threw the griddle plate in there. It's already heating up. We got it on 375. Same style, we're gonna put the temp spike in one of the steaks and we're gonna flip it one, you know, about a minute each side all the way through. All right, y'all, it's time to get the griddle steaks going, okay? We got our temp spike in there already on one of them. We're gonna get a crazy crust on this, I can tell you. We're not gonna have those grill marks. We're gonna have a griddle crust, okay? Put that on there. Again, you're gonna push it down a little bit to make sure you got plenty of contact on all surfaces. and we're just gonna let it roll for a minute, minute and a half, whatever, okay? Then we'll give it a flip. You know the drill. Time for another flip. Well, I guess on the griddle steaks it'd be the first flip. Oh, damn. Look at that crust. Crustification. There we go. There's your griddled steaks. Looking good. All right, let's let them go. I'm gonna shut the lid down. We'll come back. What can I say? But we're done. Steaks are looking pretty. Let's give them one last little flip here to see the other side. Those are looking gorgeous. Again, I'm gonna put them on the cutting board, let them rest for a little bit. Obviously the grilled steaks have already been resting. It is what it is. I decided to put a couple pats of butter on them, and I'll do the same with the griddled steaks. You know, butter makes everything better. Figure you can't go wrong. Let's go ahead and get these steaks off, okay? Again, let them rest, chill out, we'll cut into them. It's gonna be amazing. Guys, these are looking money. All right, let's slice into the bad boy. We got the grilled one first right here. Get some of that butter off there. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice medium. This one obviously been sitting for a little bit, but it's looking great. All right, let's take a look at one of these griddled steaks. These ones got a little bit more done, but not by much. Beautiful. There we go. That's the griddled steak. That's your grilled steak. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, guys, let's try the grilled steak. I mean, you can't go wrong. I mean, it's a beautiful filet. Got that butter on there. Threw a little finishing salt on there too. So good. Get that griddled steak too. Man. Yeah, I'm in heaven right now. Too damn good. Guys, either way you slice it, it's great, okay? So whether it's the griddle or the grill, they both turned out wonderful, okay? Give them a try. Again, you cook to those internal temperatures, okay? Each steak probably took about 5 to 7 minutes, okay? They're not exactly huge, but they turned out wonderful. Cool. All right, y'all, if you want to get yourself one of these Ninja Sizzles so you can say, Ninja Sizzle Sizzle, there's a link down below to Ninja Kitchen. It's an affiliate link. Doesn't cost you anything more to use it, but it helps out your boy. If you'd like to get anything else I use in my videos, from knives to cutting boards to merch, all that good stuff, links are all down below too. If you'd like to become a show producer like all these awesome people scrolling in front of me, people that don't care whether you have a griddled steak or a grilled steak, they just want some steak in their life, hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. Well, other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.